This is the main hose. All right, and that's already secure. This is where you open it up to empty it out. And then while closing it, and just put that up as secure. Now on this end, we want to attach one of these metal tubes. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. All right, and it locks into place. This will not budge. I'm pulling it out and it's not coming out. I believe you can also maybe attach that to this to make it longer, but honestly, this is long enough for me. Now for one of the heads, I like this one. I think I'm gonna start with this one. I just moved in, so I've got a lot of, you know, little packing debris all over the floor, some dust from the previous tenant, so let's put this on. Wow, literally as easy as that. And then to release it, I believe you just push this, that releases it there, but I'm gonna keep that on and use it. This is gonna be my favorite part. This is the strap that allows you to essentially wear it like a messenger bag. Since I'm doing this with one hand, I already put the first part in, but essentially you just pull these apart, put them into the holes on each side. There we go. And then repeat on the other side. Now, this did come with a manual. However, I did not read it because that's how easy it is to put it together. Don't be like me, or be like me, whatever you prefer. All right, I've got this on my arm now, holding it here. I've got some dust and spider webs and whatnot that I want to pick up with this. Gonna go ahead and turn this on. It works great. It works great. It picked up all of the spider webs for me. I'm going to try out the other attachments, but I'm sure that they'll work perfectly fine. I would definitely go ahead and spend your money on this. It's worth it.
Here. You have to squat down to keep the head attachments that come with it level. Nobody wants to squat down while they're vacuuming with this heavy enough vacuum on their shoulders. It's not horribly heavy, but when you're squatting down, that's ridiculous. Look, if I vacuum standing upright, and I'm 4'11", just so you know. It's up. It's up. It's not flush. Now it is. Flat. If I have my hand upright, it won't lay flat. If I have my hand all the way down, then it will. Then you got this.